So I was at the skate park and a friend of mine showed up that I haven't seen in probably 20 years. He was trying to teach his son to skate, but his son started crying as soon as he stepped on the board, and he didn't want to skate because skating is hard. We all know this. This is the #1 thing you should do for your kid if it's their first day at the skate park or their first day skating. You should sit them down on some kind of ledge, hubba, concrete block, whatever fits their height so they can kind of almost stand up on the board but still sit on the ledge. If they're super scared to skate, scared of the board, don't want to step on the board, this is the best way to get them familiar with the board. So just have them do some tic-tacs and play around with the board a little bit with their feet. This just gets them familiar with the board so they're not scared of it. You know, like if a dog was scared of a skateboard, you would allow him to sniff it. This is how you allow your child to sniff their skateboard. All right, so just keep doing this till they get more familiar with the board, and then introduce some simple tricks. One I like to use is this. Lay the grip tape on your shoes, jump on the board. Another one is just pulling the board up like this into a primo stance. This is something that's super easy to learn while you're sitting down. They can even learn to pop. All right, so I did this with this kid, and when he got here, he was crying, he was bawling his eyes out. When he left, he was smiling and he was proud of himself. So what we did after we messed around with sitting down is skate in the grass. Do the same thing. Flip the board over, grip tape on the top of your shoes, and jump forward, kick the board up with your feet. If the kid's super athletic, they'll probably get this the first day. This is the best way to learn without getting hurt, hands down. You can have them practice like manuals and nose manuals in the grass, and just practice tic-tacs. Just practice moving the board around. This is gonna familiarize them with the board. It's gonna make them comfortable with the board, and they're not gonna get scared and quit skating, because so many kids quit skating. They get Walmart boards that can't roll. They're like, this is hard, I don't wanna do this. I wanna sit at home, play video games the rest of my life. If you don't want your kid playing video games the rest of his life or her life, get them a good skateboard, good wheels, good bearings, good deck, and do these simple steps. It'll work every single time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.